Well, today we've got this brand new 2025 GMC Sierra pickup truck. We're going to be transforming this cloth interior with the best of the best, as you know it. We're going to be doing some prep work here. So tell us what's kind of happening here.
I'll be steaming the leather.
So it helps get the wrinkles out.
One tool you have to use to remove the bolts at the bottom and the lean back. This is another tool that you'll have to remove the lean back with. And to pull out the trees, you have to pull that out with those. And this is to remove the headrest pins.
Okay, so we've got all the right tools to get the job done. Let's get to it. A hog ring gun. What the heck do you do with a hog ring gun?
Well, you make things stay on. Here we go.
Well, we got this back seat all taken care of, right?
Right.
What's next?
Next is the front seat and the console.
So what are you going to do first with the front seat?
First, I'm going to take the front seats out, strip them down, and then throw the leather on.
There we go.
Perfect.
Got it in there. Now we ready to lift him on back up. Make sure I don't see no plastic up under the bottom up here. If so, I would have had to pull it out or whatever I needed to do to take it out. Like these spots on the back.
Doing a quality check and then getting those wrinkles out by just heating that up.
Buckle that up. That's letting me know I'm done with this area right here. Come to the front. Let's check up on him, make sure ain't no plastic or anything here. Everything looks pretty good. If it's too wrinkled, I have to take a heat gun, stretch the leather out myself. I see what the heat does first, and then I go to my second option. I have to make sure everything is working. Give it about 20 minutes in the oven. It'll be ready to eat.
Let's take a look at what the finished product looks like. Okay, so we're ready to deliver this 2025 GMC Sierra. For more information on Leathercraft, just go to leathercraft.pro.